Alright guys, well there it is out of the heat treat oven. We need to get it all cleaned up and get ready to do the guard and that handle. So we have the guard fitted up, and we're going to use this piece of antler. I had just cut that small tine off and ground that earlier. So we're going to use this as part of the handle, and we're going to use red spacers, pieces of leather, and pieces of copper because the guard's copper. We're here to put this antler handle together. I've got the antler over here in the vise, so because I'm going to just drip it in there. We're going to use 30-minute epoxy because this is a lot of stuff to go together, and I would just prefer not to have to rush as much. So alright, so it's all set up. We're just going to rough shape it down and see what we've got. The knife is pretty much done. The handle we've got rough shape and hand sanded. I've got just a little bit of wax on there to help the leather and everything stay porous and not shrink or anything. So now we're going to put my maker's mark on there. So, and I got the little stencil right here, if I can. All right, there we go. Now we're just gonna lightly hit that on the buffing wheel. Not really buff it, but get some of that nasty stuff out of there. So there it is, buffed. And now all it needs is a sheath and the edge. And I'm not going to walk you through the rest of the steps of that. Y'all seen me make a sheath before. And the edge I'm just going to sharpen up on the belt sander. But there it is, ready for the customer. So there it is, all finished up. We got an edge on it. It's very sharp. So I hope y'all enjoying this. I hope you join me on the next one. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. And if you know somebody that's interested in this type of stuff, be sure to share with them. Sorry, it's late. But thank y'all for watching along. As always, guys, God bless. Catch you next time.